here. Wow. Then it would be even darker and you wouldn't want to be out. You had food down for her. I saw food down there. You had chicken, you had regular food.
She didn't eat.
Well, what are we going to do? Go back and wait for her to eat and then in the meantime?
No, I was going to drop her off.
Well, we're too far away.
Right. I know.
Oh, this guy's an electric car.
Well, I got something 4 hours ago.
What'd you get?
Just some junk emails. You know, they may say you can't have vinyl because they don't want you to have it. They want to put it on the walls. Not because you can't have it. Maybe they don't do the vinyl. You have to go outside to get the vinyl.
Well, then let them come up with the reason why. Let them. Where does it say no vinyl?
And how do I get a hold of the contractor?
For what?
Like the guy that came out today. If I want him to do something, I don't even know how to get a hold of him.
Well, we don't know the place, so.
So we'll find out all that stuff.
Through Stormy, who contacts her counterpart, who contacts. Well, they tried the same bullshit with Nancy on that rock, the size of the rock in the backyard. Remember they told her, well, no, you got to have it this size. She says, where does it say what size? And finally, they, you know. But the guy says that they're proving anything.
The big sign back there said, Ernie's world famous chicken strips.
Huh. Is that where you want to go?
Are we going to get it to go, or what are we doing?
Yeah, we can.
So we go and take it out.
What do you get?
Check it. Check it. Is that, can't have that yet, but someday maybe. No, plastic fence, tons of it. I don't know why they say you can't have that. It looks really clean and nice.
They don't. They don't say you can't have it. That's the thing. We were asking Stormy. Well, she didn't know. She didn't read the CC&R. She's trying to be helpful in every possible what you want. She's not going to really guide you in
Christensen's storage.
Yeah, I saw it.
Christensen has everything.
I saw it. There's really nothing there.
I bet that's the family.
I don't know. There's lots of Christiansons.
Well, that's true. Hey, there's a dog groomer. Look kind of cute.
Hey, let's drop her off and get her broom. Okay, well, let's look for Jacques in the box. Let's go through town, and if we see what's all the way through town, and then we'll turn around and get whatever we want. Take it home if you want. Probably be Taco Bell again. Probably be Taco Bell again.
Oh. You're kidding.
Or Wendy's. I'll just get a Wendy's. Screw
Wendy's what?
What do they got? I guess it won't matter by the time we get it home. It's all going to taste the same.
Oh, Bonnie Boy's Barbecue. We could try going there maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to buy just fast food while we're here. We want to go somewhere.
Right.
Maybe, oh, that's fat. That's not good.
We go
That's
to
probably like a Baja Fresh.
we go to the show.
Huh?
We go to the show.
Go to a movie?
Yeah.
No. We can go to a movie at home. We're not going to drive all this far and go to a movie.
Subway. Oh, there's that wash. Oh, be damn. Why did that show up? God.
Ace Hardware. Bucks Ace Hardware. Boy, that looks nice. They got fountains and everything in front. That is a hardware, wasn't it?
It is. Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, there's a high school right here. Hurricane High
Whoa.
School, right in the middle of town. It was right next door to. That's why they're not busy. They're busy after school. All the kids go to Taco Bell.
Oh. Little Caesar.
I bet they call it the Bell. You guys going to the Bell? You know, that sounds like something kids would say. We're going to the Bell after school. There's a place where I might be able to get my hair colored. Take in my own hair color. Let them put it on and shampoo it off. I don't have a mess at all.
Another school.
Elementary. There's another Wells Fargo shop. Oh, this is a little downtown. What's that say? The Wild Blooms.
Yeah, there's some historical stuff down here. I was driving around here today.
Hurricane Family Clinic. So he's, you know what? The winds come down through these canyons and blow like crazy, I bet. There's a book arbor. That's cute. See the little book arbor?
Oh, yeah.
Mercantile Gifts and Consignment. Laundromat. Tanning salon.
Hey, the Pepitas.
Oh, Lupita's.
Wow.
I wonder if it's the same Lupita.
That.
Oh, that's good. That hospital.
Well, I don't think there's anything down there.
Did you see Jack in the Box?
No.
Maybe we missed it because I was looking on the right instead of the left.
Is there one?
I thought we saw one. Maybe not. I didn't see that place that has the chicken strips either. I mean, we could go into Lupita's and get some Mexican food to go and heat it up in the microwave.
It's up to you.
Oh, what else did you want?
I'm open. We're taking it back anyway, so you want that? Let's see. Jack in the Box.
I mean, maybe we saw it in St. George. I don't know.
Jack in the Box. Well, it's not around here. Nope.
What's that one north right there?
These are all in St. George, Washington.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then there's not one here.
No. Could have thought that.
Oh, what?
I must have been thinking Cedar City or something.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, in St. George, they had a Panda Express. They had a Pollo Loco. because you can go if you're going pretty fast, right now. Is that a storage over there?
So, were you serious about running in there?
Yeah. Yeah, it is a storage back there. RV storage.
Oh, there was?
Mm-hmm.
Did it look like they had to have room?
I couldn't tell if they have room.
I know, it looks
They all
pretty,
look full.
looks pretty congested. I'm used to every corner having a signal to turn left. You know that?
Mm-hmm.
They don't here. They don't have the traffic. Okay, hold on. Okay, we gotta turn around. This is what happened to me before.
Dixie Nutrition.
Let's turn around here.
So is Dixie Springs a city?
I don't know.
You have a stop sign.
Yeah, and
There's a little old town post office and stuff down there.
yeah, and then there's this place here. It's like a little
Museum.
blacksmith.
It's a museum. How you doing,
And
Cokie?
I thought, shit, if I don't turn around, I'm gonna wind up going to the boondocks. So I turned down here. Just to try to turn around. Now, was this it? No,
It's down there farther.
I know.
This is the veterinary hospital. Okay, there's nobody coming this way. It's clear. No one. No one. No one. No one.
And there's no way to turn in there.
Oh, you have to go down that way and come back.
Well,
this
I
way.
just did all that.
No, you have to turn down here and turn around and come back on State Street. Turn here. Turn around down there somehow.
I just tried doing it.
Well, you can make a U-turn here.
I don't think so. With the traffic all coming and everything.
Six seconds, 5 seconds. These people all get to turn. Okay, now us. Now, if we can turn around here.
I'll turn around here. I ain't going around there again.
What? Turn down that little street.
No, I've done.
That parking lot.
That's my second time today I've gone around there. It'll be my third time.
I didn't mean around the whole block.
That's
I
why I'm
meant
going
just
this
turn
way.
around in this parking lot.
I'm fine. I just turned around.
Oh, that's fine.
This is fine what I just did.
What do you think you want? Do you want to go in there and look at the menu and then...
You know what I want. I mean, you know what I like.
I don't like to make the decisions.
Well, honey, then let's go through a drive-through.
Just go back there. You turned around. Do you want a bean and cheese burrito? Do you want...
I'll have a wet. I'll have a wet bean and cheese burrito.
Okay.
Hopefully, shit, let's pretty damn crowded.
Okay, turn in right here.
See me park?
Oh my gosh, it's busy as heck. Must be pretty good. Can you park next to that white car right there?
Yeah, it looks like it.
This is the busiest place in town.
Damn. All of this?
This is Lupita's parking. Damn. Okay.
Take your phone in case you want to call me. Oh. God.
She doesn't want to be left alone. I can't find my phone. I just had it. Where is it?
You could,
There it is.
you know you're going to stay here with me.
I'll be right back. You have Daddy.
Oh, give me. No. 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 No.